In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off CarPlay on your iPhone. So there are 3 different ways that you can do this. So here's how you do it. So first off, CarPlay uses Bluetooth. So if you swipe down on your iPhone, you click on your Bluetooth icon. You have then disconnected it from your car and it now should not be working. Now, if you want to turn this off in the future, you can go to Settings, then go to General. And then once you're in General, you can see here you've got CarPlay. If you go ahead and click on that, if you've connected to a car, it will be available here. You can then go ahead and click on it and then click Forget. Now, one more way that you can do it. If you go back to Settings, go back. Once you're on the Settings homepage, you can then scroll down to Screen Time, click on that, and then here you can go to Restrictions. If you click on Restrictions, enable this, and then you go ahead and find Apps. So we go to Allowed Apps and Features, click on that. Then you can see here you've got CarPlay. You can just go ahead and disable this, and now it will be turned off and it won't work on your car unless you go ahead and re-add it and turn everything back on.